Education is very important for everyone. It helps us learn new things and understand the world better. With education, we can achieve our dreams and goals. It is the key to a successful and happy life. Education starts at a young age. When we are children, we go to school to learn how to read and write. These skills are very important because they are the foundation for all other learning. At school, we also learn how to solve problems. This helps us to think critically and make good decisions. Problem-solving skills are useful in everyday life and in our future jobs. Education helps us develop social skills. In school, we make friends and learn how to work with others. Teamwork is important because we often need to collaborate with people in our personal and professional lives. Education also teaches us about different cultures and perspectives. We learn to respect and appreciate people who are different from us. This helps us become more open-minded and tolerant. Having an education opens up many opportunities. With a good education, we can choose from a variety of careers. This allows us to find a job that we enjoy and that pays well. Education helps us become more independent. When we learn new skills, we can take care of ourselves and make informed choices. This independence is important for leading a fulfilling life. Education can improve our health. In school, we learn about healthy habits, such as eating well and exercising. We also learn about the dangers of smoking, drinking, and drugs. An educated person can contribute more to society. With knowledge and skills, we can help solve problems in our communities. This makes the world a better place for everyone. Education helps us understand our rights and responsibilities. We learn about laws and how to be good citizens. This knowledge is important for participating in our communities and countries. Education gives us confidence. When we learn new things, we feel proud of ourselves. This confidence helps us take on new challenges and achieve our goals. Education helps reduce poverty. When people are educated, they can get better jobs and earn more money. This helps them take care of their families and improve their quality of life. Education promotes gender equality. In many parts of the world, girls and women do not have the same educational opportunities as boys and men. Providing education to everyone helps close this gap. Education can lead to innovation. When people are educated, they can come up with new ideas and solutions. This drives progress and helps improve our world. Education is important for economic growth. Countries with high levels of education tend to have stronger economies. Educated workers are more productive and can contribute more to their countries. Education helps protect the environment. In school, we learn about the importance of taking care of our planet. This knowledge helps us make better choices and encourages us to protect natural resources. Education promotes peace. When people are educated, they are more likely to understand and respect others. This reduces conflict and helps create a more peaceful world. Education helps us adapt to change. The world is constantly changing, and new technologies are being developed. With education, we can learn to use these new tools and adapt to new situations. Education is a lifelong process. Learning does not stop when we finish school. We can continue to learn new things throughout our lives. This keeps our minds active and helps us stay engaged with the world. Education helps us achieve our dreams. Whether we want to be doctors, teachers, or artists, education gives us the knowledge and skills we need to reach our goals. Education fosters creativity. In school, we have the opportunity to explore different subjects and discover our passions. This encourages us to think creatively and pursue our interests. Education helps us understand history. Learning about the past helps us understand the present and make better decisions for the future. It teaches us about the mistakes and achievements of those who came before us. Education teaches us about science and technology. These fields are important for solving many of the world's problems, such as disease and climate change. With education, we can contribute to these important areas. Education promotes cultural awareness. We learn about different traditions, languages, and customs. This helps us appreciate diversity and promotes mutual respect. Education encourages civic participation. When we are educated, we are more likely to vote, volunteer, and engage in our communities. This helps strengthen our democracies and societies. Education helps reduce crime. People who are educated are less likely to engage in criminal activities. They have better job opportunities and a stronger sense of purpose. Education supports mental health. Learning new things can be exciting and fulfilling. It gives us a sense of purpose and helps keep our minds sharp. Education helps us understand the importance of human rights. We learn about equality, justice, and the rights of all people. This knowledge helps us stand up for ourselves and others. Education can lead to a more sustainable future. By learning about environmental issues and sustainable practices, we can make choices that help protect our planet for future generations. In summary, education is vital for personal growth, economic development, and societal progress. It empowers us, enriches our lives, and helps us contribute to a better world. Investing in education is investing in our future.